let's take a look at the properties of the source object. I'm going to double click on it to open up a properties window. And the first tab that I see is the source tab. And the arrival style is the manner in which flow items are going to enter your simulation. And there's three ways for flow items to enter the simulation: enter arrival time, arrival schedule, and arrival sequence. So I can dictate how I want these to come in, these flow items. And in the case that we have right now, we only have one type of flow item in. They're all the exact same identical boxes with the same features. And they're coming in based on an exponential distribution that leans towards 10 seconds. And if I chose arrival schedule, then I could take different classes or item types of flow items and have certain quantities coming in at certain times. Or I could use arrival sequence, and this would say what order do we want different products coming? Are we rotating every 50 to different types of products? And that will make a little more sense as we move on. And then we have flow. So from this object, the flow items are going to be sent to the port that is first available. And in the case of this simulation, if we look at the ports, there is only one output port in this simulation right now anyway, so it doesn't have a whole lot of choice of where to go. We could use transport later on as an operator or a transporter of some type. And then a trigger is something that we'll use later to make a change to a flow item. And a label could be added to characterize a flow item. And then, of course, our general tab that not only has our input and output ports identified, but it also looks at the position, rotation, and size of where the object is and some other visual features of it. I can also rename the object to start of model or whatever I would like, and you can see down here that that changes. And when I have an object highlighted, it gives me some information about that object.